Hello friends. We all know the endless benefits of yoga. However, many of us are at times not able to practice yoga due to pregnancy or having undergone major surgeries. If you are one among them and would like to know which yoga exercises you can follow for fitness despite your body concerns, please watch this video till the end. Rope pull pose or Rajju Karshanasana. Sit straight with your legs straight, hands stretched and lightly touching your knees. Eyes straight, spine upright and chest outwards. Inhale and lift your right hand straight up. Make a tight fist and pull your hand downwards in the same position as if you are pulling a rope. Pull as per your capacity. Hold the position for few seconds and take down your hand to its earlier position as you exhale. Repeat this with your left hand. You can even speed up the process if your body allows. Rope pull pose is highly beneficial in reducing frozen shoulder issues. It also makes your spine stronger, reduces fat around the underarms area, and also burns stress and energizes you. Gatyatmak Meru Vakrasana. For this, sit straight in Dandasana position. Draw your legs apart. Now inhale. As you exhale, take your left hand towards your right toe. Hold your toe with left hand and stretch right hand back straight so that your both hands form a straight line. Now look back and keep your eyes on the right hand. Hold this position for a few seconds and return to your actual position. Repeat this with the other hand. If you are a beginner, you may take small breaths while you hold with arms stretched. If you are having issues holding your toe, then better start with holding your knee and then slowly begin to stretch as your body becomes flexible. This asana is very helpful in reducing any pain in arms, shoulders and neck. This exercise also invites eye movement, which is beneficial for your eyes. You will feel relaxed and highly energized after doing this exercise. However, if you have undergone major surgery, then please consult your physician before initiating this exercise. Your hands will come close to your chest while you incline backwards as much as you can. Don't move your legs while doing this exercise. You may repeat it 10 times at one round. This asana reduces any additional fat back, relieves from issues like frozen shoulders and also many of the gynecological problems. If you are having any back injury or have had surgery, then please do not stress while bending. Next comes rowing the boat pose or Nauka Sanchalasana. Sit with legs straight in Dandasana position. Spread out your hands parallel to your chest as if you are holding the row of a boat. Inhale and bend your body downwards close to your knee. Now exhale and drag your hands inwards in half circle as you row a boat. Your hands will come close to your chest while you incline backwards as much as you can. Don't move your legs while doing this exercise. You may repeat it 10 times at one round. Now repeat the same but in opposite direction. That is, Your hands will move outwards towards your toes. This asana reduces any additional fat back, relieves from issues like frozen shoulders and also many of the gynecological problems. If you are having any back injury or have had surgery, then please do not stress while bending. You may do these exercises anytime and anywhere, only keeping in mind that you are not doing these immediately before or after eating. Also, please speak to your doctor once before doing these exercises. Subscribe and keep watching our channel for more interesting videos.